Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you how to move files from one hard drive to another. Whether you're upgrading to a new drive or just organizing your data, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Step 1. First, connect the new hard drive to your computer if it's not already connected. If it's an external drive, use a USB cable. For internal drives, ensure the drive is properly installed and recognized by your system. Once connected, open File Explorer on your computer by pressing Windows E or clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. In File Explorer, you'll see all hard drives listed under this PC or Devices and Drives. Step 2. Next, navigate to the files or folders you want to move. Open the current hard drive, locate the files, and select them. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking, or select all files by pressing Control A. Once the files are selected, right-click on one of them and choose Cut from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press Control X to cut the files. This prepares the files to be moved to the new location. Step 3. Now, go to the new hard drive in File Explorer. Open the folder where you want to place the files, or simply click on the drive itself if you want to move them to the root directory. Right-click in an empty space and select Paste. The files will begin transferring to the new hard drive. The time this takes depends on the size of the files and the speed of your drives. Once the transfer is complete, the files will no longer be on the original drive and will only exist on the new one. That's it. You've successfully moved files from one hard drive to another. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips and tutorials.